She opened nice and wide.
That's what he said.
Oh my god, that was a good one. That was a good one.
That was funny.
That was so gross.
That's you said it.
You said it.
She opened nice. Yeah, but you were thinking it. And I know it.
That's some beautiful equitation. Hey, if you're not gonna try, why should she?
Because she can. Because she hasn't been ridden in like a month. She should have energy.
This is Mamu. That was so half-assed. Ah!
She braked, but then she won't stop. Like they just won't. There we go. Maybe she likes to sleep better.
Can you do a whole lap? I don't know. Ah! Hampton Stables Jump Crew. Holly wearing her helmet as she's just walking around the ring. Julian with pink hair. Looking awesome, setting jumps like a bunch of pros. Holly running around like an idiot. Ah, I just got that on camera. Good job, Holly. Up 2 holes. Good job.